You won't believe it until you see it. The Toyota 4Runner king of off-road was stuck on the beach and Cybertruck saved it. The 4Runner was stuck on the Starship launch site, Boca Chica beach late night. Using the Cybertruck, successfully pulled out the truck without much problems. The 4Runner was heading back home after the launch but got stuck badly on the beach. Unfortunately, the 4Runner got stuck twice. Both times the Cybertruck pulled it out. It's a shame on the driver of the 4Runner that it got stuck. Such a capable vehicle shouldn't get stuck twice. Maybe the driver needs some lesson to unstuck himself. There was a Cybertruck meetup going on at Boca Chica SpaceX Starship launch site in the dead of night. You can tell us what you would drive on Mars. Let us know in the comments section.